Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool, which is very helpful for you to make your presentation in seconds. So just to give an input prompt, you will get presentation slides instantly. So let us go on to today's video and we will give some input prompts to make a presentation, and let us see how that AI tool will give us a presentation for us. Before going to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as input sources, and then we are going to model with maximum power point tracking algorithm in both of them in order to grasp maximum amount of energy from them even during partial sharing condition. So after that, we are going to incorporate with grid connected system, and then we are going to connect it with EV charging station. We are going to make proper energy management between the sources and loads. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that, so here you can see that AI presentation maker free online. So create presentation from text, generate high quality presentation from text in minutes with our AI presentation maker free online. So here what you have to do is just give input prompt. So according to that input prompt, it will generate answer. So actually I have already explored with some input prompts. So I am going to test again with another set of prompts. So here I am going to give MPPT algorithms for solar PV systems. So like that I am going to give an input, so and then click enter. So it will take time. So it will take time. Yes, here you can see the outline is generated. So let's create a presentation on MPPT algorithms for solar PV system. So outline, first one will be the introduction slide. So in this importance of MPPT in solar PV system, overview of MPPT algorithms. So next you can see perturb and observe method. In this you can see description and working principle, advantages and limitations. So next one is that incremental conductance method. So here you can see description and working principle, advantages and limitations. Next fuzzy logic control, again description and working principle, advantages and limitations, comparison of MPPT algorithms, efficiency and performance metrics, suitability for different conditions, conclusion, summary of key points, future trends in MPPT for solar PV systems. So this is how the outline of that particular slides will be. So here you can see that this is the first slide, that is introduction slide. So our introduction slide is about importance of MPPT in solar PV system. So here you can see this is our first slide. So first one will be introduction. So in the introduction, so you can see maximizing efficiency. So whenever you are employed MPPT algorithms, so it will improve the efficiency of the solar PV system. So next one is adapting to environmental condition. So MPPT adjusts to changes in sunlight and temperature, maintaining optimal performance. Next, reducing energy losses. So you can reduce the energy losses by tracking the maximum power point. So this is the first slide is all about. The second one is about perturb and observe method. So in this you can see that, so here you can see the principle of operation and then algorithms, and then you can see advantages and limitations. So again you can see incremental conductance, the basic operation of incremental conductance, algorithm steps. So here you can see measure incremental changes in current and voltage. Next, calculate the incremental conductance, adjust to voltage to track maximum power point. So here you can see advantages and limitations. So more accurate than P&O, especially under rapidly changing condition, but more complex to implement. So these are the slides again, so you will be getting. So after that, would you like to continue with more slides on MPPT algorithms for solar PV systems? So you can give and continue. So automatically this will be continued to generate free slides for you. So you can copy the slides and you can make use of the slides in your presentation also. So if you are a teacher or any influencer, so you can make this kind of AI presentation in minute. So I have already explored with the topic, so I will show you that now. So here you can see I will already explored with the topic called renewable energy. So in this renewable energy, so it is generated an outline, content outline. So introduction to renewable energy, Types of renewable energy resources, advantages of renewable energy, challenges and limitations, future trends in renewable energy, conclusion. So in this you can see that the first one will be introduction to renewable energy. In this introduction you can see that definition of renewable energy, importance and global adoption of renewable energy will be given here. So after that, so types, that is types of renewable energy system: solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, biomass, geothermal energy. So like that it is generating. So again, the advantages of renewable energy: environmental benefits, sustainability, economic benefits, energy independence, health benefits, etc. So this is how you can generate slides for free using this AI presentation maker. So and then, so here you can upload, here you can see upload. You can upload images, PDF, Word, Excel, text file and CSV files. So you can upload a particular file. From that document or content also you can make slides using this AI presentation maker. So the important thing is that so you can customize your presentation by giving an input, or else by giving the input prompt you can generate a fresh presentation for your that is as a PPT for your presentation. So make use of this option in this free online tool. So it is for free only, there is no need for subscription option. So this AI presentation maker surely will give better PPT for you for your presentation. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore this AI presentation maker with your input prompts and see how it will generate the best PPT for your presentation. So thank you for watching our videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.